the Carl Chevrolet Studios in West Des Moines. You know what day it is. It's Friday, and time to check in with our good friend Andrew Rinehart at Valley View Medical Clinic. Hi, Andrew.
Hello, Lou. How you doing today?
We are doing great. We are going to talk about helping a couple's love life. Use that same phrase, great. And it's something that they can do as a couple, and namely the guy, the man, going to Valley View Medical Clinic in Pleasant Hill and getting treatment for a very, as you would call it, sensitive topic.
Yes, I would say sensitive topic, but also very common problem. That is ED, or erectile dysfunction. I think it's important that we say the leading cause of ED is damaged blood vessels, restricted blood flow. So it's kind of clogged in a way. Now, for 30 years, a man has taken the pill, dealt with the side effects. I believe those days are over. Valley View Medical Clinic uses a technology called wave therapy. It delivers pressure waves through the skin into the blood vessels, causing those damaged blood vessels to regrow. So what a beautiful thing. It's more blood flow in the bedroom where you want it, when you want it.
And I'm glad you mentioned that because it's very, very targeted treatment that we are talking here. Now, we mentioned for 30 years, you said people have been relying on the pill. We can throw those away. You're not going to need those anymore. But let's talk about the way those work. The pill is actually treating your entire body. It's opening up blood vessels in your entire body. It is not targeted like the treatment you have at Valley View Medical Clinic is.
Well, that's exactly right. You take a pill, it affects your head, for example. You end up with a headache. You end up with bloodshot eyes, dizzy, almost a flu or a hangover type feeling. And for a lot of guys, 35% in fact, it doesn't work. They don't get the desired results. So we really want to get rid of those. Come to the future, treating the root cause of the problem, and that is the wave technology at Valley View Medical Clinic.
I believe we have some animation here to show you how the blood flow will increase after treatment. There you mentioned the pressure waves. They go in, and then the blood flows. That's where the problem comes in, and that is the problem that can be treated. And this is actually regrowing the blood vessels, like you said, in places where it really needs. You need those nutrients as well as everything else, and the pressure, and that's what this is all about.
Yeah, that's exactly right. We go in with the pressure waves. And by the way, this doesn't hurt. It's a 15-minute session. You'll walk out of the clinic feeling totally normal. Yes, we're just improving the health of the blood vessels so that when the timing is right in the bedroom, you can perform naturally. No more erectile dysfunction.
And no more checking your watch and waiting, a half hour for something, hopefully, that will happen, as you mentioned, for over 30%. It may not work at all, so then you're really out of luck. So that is not what you need to do. You need to treat this, and don't be embarrassed by this. I think that's the biggest obstacle some guys might face right now, is being embarrassed to say, hey, we have something going on here, but you're not embarrassed to say, yeah, you may have something going on, but you can fix it.
Yeah, that's right. Embarrassment does hold men back often. They suffer in silence, but it's the worst thing you can do because the relationship is affected. Let's not do that, guys. Just think how easy this is. A couple weeks from now, a few 15-minute sessions, the ED could be gone. What would your relationship look like?
Look forward to the nicer weather is coming up here. Looking forward to spending more time with your loved one. And the nice thing about this is we're located right here in Pleasant Hill, right off the bypass. Very simple to get to. And you have a very special offer right now we want people to take advantage of, because we're talking a gift that could be producing some immediate results. First of all, talk about what you're offering.
Well, that's right. So for men that are maybe a little bit hesitant, or maybe you don't want to take treatments yet, but you want some information, call us before this segment ends. The exam, the assessment, even the ultrasound, we're going to do it totally free. We'll give you a gift that I think you'll love, produces results in the bedroom in minutes. It's worth hundreds of dollars. It's all no charge to callers now.
All right, and again, here's the number. It's 515-300-5555. 515-300-5555. And Andrew, you'll love this. People are stopping us in the grocery store and talking to us about this, which is letting you know that the veil is starting to come down. People are more comfortable to talk about this, asking what the phone number is. So we have that memorized. So in case anybody runs into us on the street, we'll be able to tell you it's 515-300-5555. And you guys are open 6 days a week. Is that correct?
We are open 6 days a week. We can get you in on Saturdays, Monday through Friday. We'll work around your schedule. The treatments are so easy and fast.
All right, so take advantage of this special. It is worth hundreds at no charge. Find out what Valley View Medical Clinic can do for you. 515-300-5555. Andrew Rinehart, great job as always, and we look forward to talking to you next week.
Thanks for having. Appreciate it, Lou.